gathering. What's the meaning of this socialization? It's also a term related to that. So what is socialization? Okay. So in this chapter, you'll be learning about all this: the meaning of socialization, the functions of it, there, the agencies that create the socialization, then gender and socialization. How is related there? So what is the socialization? Okay. Now the meaning first thing. So it's learning of the social behavior. See, children, whatever I told you can't be alone. You are a human being. You have to become a social being. Can human beings stay alone then? No, he cannot stay alone. So what he has to do? He has to just get together with other kinds of human beings. And man cannot live alone. So can you imagine yourself living in a forest? You can't. Okay, so you need members there. So where are all these members? You can find all this in your society. So if you are living in a society, what is very important? Your socialization. The term is very important. So what is the meaning of socialization? Learning of social behavior. Okay, it makes a social being. Then it's a process of social actions. Then according to your social society or the situation or your environment. So all these meanings come under what? The socialization. So let us take one by one. So in your meaning of it is learning of social behavior. The day the child is born, he doesn't know how to eat food. Okay, he doesn't know who is the father, who is the mother, all these things and all. So what happens one day with the interaction with other people, and the mother keeps on talking to the child, the father keeps coming talking there, the sibling comes and talks, plays with the child, you start learning some behavior. Okay, not the behavior, you know, the person is also there. So what happens? It's a process of what? A learning of your social behavior. Now you go to your function. When you go to your function, what do? You behave according to the situation. You go to your temple. The way you dress up also behaves in the same way. When you talk to your people, how do you talk? You talk to your teacher in a different way, talk to your mother in a different way. So all these things comes under what? Your socialization. So the meaning of socialization is also what? A social behavior. Now it makes man a social being. I have told you there's a lot of difference between animal and human beings. So what makes us a special human beings? The way we try to interact, our behavior with others, we call ourselves a social being because man is a social being because he lives in a society. Okay. So who's living in a society? These people who are living in a society. Next, it's a process of social actions. Be it any actions. Now suppose you want something. What do? There you request them. You are asking help from other people and you try to get the work done. Okay. You want something to be done. You start sit along with your friends, you clarify your doubts. There's so many things are there. So everywhere you go around, you see the say age group sitting together or you see other people sitting together, you talk to them, there's so many things takes place. So your social action also is called as a socialization. Next, according to situation and environment. So this is possible only when it's socialization. So what's the meaning of this? You try to change your behavior based on your situation. A teacher enters your class, what will you do? You stand up, the behavior changes. Okay, you just meet your friends, what do? You go hug him, you talk to him. Okay, the behavior changes there also. You meet your mommy, okay, after a very long time, the behavior towards her changes. You miss your father, after you meet him also what happens? Again the behavior changes. So you change your behavior according to your situation. Not only that, how will you behave when you go to your marriage, you go to your school, there is a different way of behaving. Okay, all these are taught only in your socialization. Okay, and according to environment. So when you go to your different environment, okay, suppose you are going to your temple, you will not wear a uniform and go. Will you wear a uniform and go? No. So what happens according to environment also, and your behavior also changes according to that. So you know where, what you should do it. So what's the meaning of your socialization? It's all is summarization. What is it there? Learning of social behavior, social being, process of social action, according to social, your situation and your environment is the meaning of your socialization. Okay. So it's so much about all these things. So what is the function of socialization? The first thing, it converts a human being into a social being. As I told you that man is a social being. What is a human being then? Okay. Then what is a human being? He can't become a human throughout the day. He has to become a social being also because he is living in a society. He can't say, no, I am going to live alone. He has to be and cooperate along with others also to live in a society. Next, scope for adopting, imitating and learning skills. So what's the meaning of that? You try to adopt toward the situation, the environment, okay, along with the others. You try to imitate. See, when you will try to imitate teacher also, how she is talking. Okay, you will be imitating some actors, so this is all common social behavior, the human behavior. Next, learning skills. Definitely, it's each and every day you are learning something. All this can be done only by what you learn by your socialization. Okay, if you are just alone in the forest, you are just going to behave like animals. Only you just mingle with along with the other people. You try to learn Okay, all this comes as the functions of your socialization. Develop social relationship. So what's the meaning of that? You try to get connected to many people there. Your neighborhood, your uncle, your aunt, or whatever it is. Okay. Next, helps the development of personality. Is it not? So only when you're there along with the human beings, learning their skills, learning how many things there, you will try to develop your personality. Okay. Suppose a child is sitting alone in a classroom. Okay, he doesn't have friends, he doesn't talk with anyone. But suppose the other same age group child goes and tries to talk to him and all this, maybe 1 or 2 days later he will try to change his behavior. So what happens? All these things comes under what? The particular socialization. Then, hence the continuity of your tradition. So what's the meaning of that? Okay, your father has learned from his grandfather. Your grandfather, I think your father to your son, then to so what happens is the process of what? Learning your traditions, learning to your socialization. Okay, next we'll go to your agencies of socializations. Okay, now come to this one. I've drawn some pictures or the wordings are just put forth for you on the board there. So which are the agencies? Now coming to the agents of socializations. So I put forth some words over here. That is family, the peer, the religion, the school, the mass media, the neighborhoods. These are all agencies. So what is the socialization I've told you? It's a process where the human being becomes a social being. So what do you need? The agents that make you a social being. So these are the agents. These are the family, the peer, the religion, the mass media, school and your neighborhood. Okay, you can ask a question to yourself. Okay, now how does family becomes an agent? Okay, so here the agents are the father, mother and others. So when a child is born, he doesn't know who is a father, who is a mother. Who teaches them? The mother teaches, he is a father. And moreover, whatever you learn, the basic things, how to eat, what are the words, the basic of walking, you are trying to speak something, all these are taught by the mother. So generally, mother is the first teacher, okay, and family is the first school for you. This is where you are going to learn all these things in. So this becomes an agent for you, okay, for your socialization. Okay, next, which is your peer. Who are this peer? Your friendly, the gangs. You learn so many things. The same age group people are called as the peer group. So I think you learn many things when you come to school. There you meet your classmates, all those things. So they also play a very important role in your socialization process. The next, the religion. It's a base for the faith. So this is when you have a religious functions, what will happen there? You will have a gathering of people coming together, all this. So they try to learn many behaviors in that, how to dress up, how to talk to the elders. So I think you say that when we come into, you say namaste, all those things are all learned through what? Only the social behavior. Okay, next come to your school. School plays a very important role in socialization. So you must be knowing children as children there. So here teachers play a very important role or a vital role in your behaving or your molding. Sometimes you do a mistake, we try to scold the people and bring it back to track. Sometimes small children will not know, they take the things from the other children there. We try to tell them not to do all these things. Okay, so many things, habits, all these are taught by whom? By the teachers. Your subconscious is made to realize what is it that you have some inner talent here. Maybe father, mother are the basic teachers for you, but here the real thing is learned only with the help of your teachers. You're learning. Okay, your co-curricular activities brought forward there. Your curricular activities are just for your talent is brought for all this are done only in your school. Coming to your mass media. This also plays a very important role. So which are the mass media you have? The television, the radio, then your present internet then. Okay, all these are coming under your the mass media. So this connects all the people at a stretch. So this also molds what is socialization behavior in you. Next coming to your neighborhood. Yeah, they play a very big. So whenever you go search for a house, also you will see how the neighbors are, how the neighborhoods are. All this will be done by your youth. Okay, now we'll continue afterwards. The next agency is your neighborhood. So here you have many related. Related means what? You say next neighbor, you learn so many things. They try to help you people, they'll teach you the behavior, how to help there. Okay, then this is not a neighborhood, but only we are speaking about children there, only about your neighborhood. The entire society, be it our country or the entire world also there. We are speaking about rural, urban, and the helping nature neighborhoods have there. So we learn from them also there about what the process of their socialization. So which are the agencies you have? Family, peer, religion, mass media, school and neighborhood all play a very important role in the term called as your socialization and molding your behavior from the human behavior to your or the social being. Now, the last one that we are going to learn is about your gender and socialization. gender, we know we have this male, female there, and here our country, you know what happened? We have this male-dominated society there. Okay, the beginning we had that. Okay, now it's changing now. Mainly it's changed because of what? Because of your socialization. Because we know we have gone outside, we have seen how the ladies are treated outside the country there. All these things, what happens there? We are trying to stop the differentiation between the male and the female. And the modern society, the girls or the women are given lots of importance, not like what we had in the ancient period, the medieval period. So many things are reduced because of the socialization. We are trying to learn, we are trying to modify our behavior, and this and all is very important to be in your society to know about what's the meaning of your socialization. You have to change your social behavior, how to behave, all these things. Hope we have understood this chapter children and try to become a better social human being.